All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this series, I want to start doing a MyEcon Income Shifting Membership Review 2025 playlist and kind of explain to you what each product inside of MyEcon can do for you in order to put more money back into your pocket, in order to help you get your finances straight. Now, I understand that there's a lot of business opportunities out there that you can join, that you can tap into to make some extra income, but how many of those opportunities actually show you, take you by the hand, walk you step by step through a strategy that's going to help you put money back into your pocket, not only just from the business opportunity side of it, but also from just using the strategy that is within MyEcon itself. These strategies are not taught in school. These strategies are not taught to your children who are in school, and you know you did not learn them as well. As a matter of fact, there's one strategy that you can tap into right now that is able to put up to 10% to 15% back into your paycheck, okay? Just simply filling out the W-4 form the correct way. And I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but I'm going to give you an overview of everything that you get when you join MyEcon and how you can tap into this income shifting membership to really get yourself out of financial straits, okay? Get yourself out of the financial difficulties that you're in. We're just coming in off of the holidays. You know, maybe you ran up some more credit card debt already on top of the debt that you already had, and now you're looking for a way to eliminate that debt. So that's what we're going to do inside of this MyEcon Income Shifting Membership Review 2025. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, so here we are now in my back office of MyEcon, okay? And I'm just going to walk you briefly through everything that you're going to get, a 30,000 feet overview, bird's eye view of what you're going to get when you join MyEcon. As I said before, there are a lot of products in here that can actually help you get out of financial situation. You do not have to worry about the business opportunity in the beginning. I personally started with the W-4 correction, okay? And that's what helped me get to where I am. So I'm going to go through pretty much everything in this video, but at a fast pace to give you an idea of what it is that what you are getting when you join MyEcon. Okay, inside of MyEcon, we have up here. This is the home area. This is your home. This is your BMC home, which is what we're looking at right now. You can see my membership is the Elite Business membership. Okay, you're going to see all of your products here, your MyCredit, Zango, Travel. The Travel and the Defender Plus only comes with the Elite Business membership, but everything else here comes, with the financial membership. Okay, so then you're going to have your account, your messages, and your log out button. So let's go through each one of these. The W-4 correction form, this is where you're going to correct your W-4, where you're able to put up to 10 to 15% back into your paycheck. Just say if you're earning $50,000 per year, then that's 10 to 15% of that is $5,000 back into your pocket per year. Break it down monthly, that could be anywhere between $500 per month. Okay, personally for me, I was able to put $400 per month back into my paycheck using this strategy alone. So you're going to have the training here, everything you need here. Then if we look at the MyCredit system, this is where you're going to be able to come in and fix your credit yourself. You got some videos here that you're going to watch, short videos, straight to the point, that's going to help you dispute negative items that are on your credit report. Also, you have the travel membership. As I said, this is with the Elite Business membership. Okay, so with the travel deal, we have Zango Travel. I'm not going to go deep into this one, but just know you can get travel deals cheaper than Expedia or whoever, all these other, Travelocity places like that. You save more with Zango Travel than you would with those deals. You have the Defender Plus. This only comes with the Elite Business membership. And I'll say it like this: if you're going to go all in so you get access to everything, that way you don't have to upgrade later. Now you can come in for $25, you can come in for $39.95, you can $40 or $50, whatever it is. I think they've kind of changed that now. I'm gonna have to go back and look at it again. But And then there's a $99. I chose the $99. That's where I'm at, so I have access to the Defender Plus. Okay. So you have the debt elimination. We'll look at the debt elimination. This is where you come in, once you make that, get that extra coming back into your paycheck, from doing your W-4 form, this is where you're able to come in and start eliminating debt with that extra money that you're putting back into your pocket that the government is going to be paying for, okay? So you're able to go through this calculator here, and this thing here, set up everything that you owed, your interest rates, minimum payments that you're making, and then it's going to help you calculate what it is, a strategy for you to start eliminating your debt. Then we have minimizing the taxes. Okay, this is where you're going to minimize taxes. You're able to get up to over $200 in deduction once you become a business owner, and having a MyEcon business can help you get those deductions that you can't otherwise get as a W-4 and W-2 employee. Okay, this training here is going to walk you through that. We have that. You have the cash flow manager. This is going to help you keep up with all of your, your receipts, every expense that you have, any income that you have coming in. You're going to keep it all in here. So that's what that is for. I'll show you that individually, how it actually works. Okay, and then we have cash flow strategist. This is how to put more money back into your pocket. How much do you want for retirement? For you to live comfortably in retirement, how much money do you need? When you're in retirement, when you and your wife you and your significant other, wife, whatever, just want to go on vacation, how much money do you need to live comfortably without you having to have to go out and get a job? We see a lot of elderly people right now working in McDonald's and Walmart and Wendy's and places like that, when they should be living their golden years with each other and enjoying life, but yet they're out there working a 9 to 5 or however many hours that they work. So the cash flow strategist is going to show you how to do that. So let's keep going. And so that's it for that. Also, we come up here to products. We have what is called tax preparation. Okay, you're going to get access to get your taxes done professionally through VIRO tax. So this is another product that just came out with MyEcon, so you get access to this as well. This is another video that I'm going to do on this one. Okay, if we come down through here, you have a video on the Business Management Center. Okay, we have the Fast Start introduction. They give you that right there, how to get started, Fast Start. Talks about Fast Start traditional marketing, how to do marketing, 43-minute Fast Start online marketing, several videos here to help you do that as well. Okay, so you have that. Also, you get an automated marketing system, and one of the problems that a lot of people have is, they're trying to create funnels, they're trying to set up email, autoresponders and things like that. You do not have to do that with MyEcon, because MyEcon has its own automated marketing system. It has a marketing system. Let's just look at this one right here. Right now, we're still running a holiday promotion, which ends today, tonight at midnight. But if you want to get in, you can click the link in the description and still come in for $9.95. But let's just look at the system, that you get. You're going to have here, if you want to see more, you click on more. It tells you what it's all about. If you want to promote it, you have the direct links. You have the links. You're going to give you links where people can join. If you just copy that link, you're able to send it to people by pasting it up here. Okay, so it's going to go straight to your page for that particular, promotion or whatever it is. You can do it through your contacts here, existing contacts. Okay, if we go back, if we look at it, we give you capture pages inside of here. As I said, you don't need to go get response or anything like that. You have a capture page. You can show it, not show it, however you want to do it. First name and email is required, though. You can preview the landing page. This is what the landing page is going to look like. Okay, for this capture page, you can pick your price, $19.95 or $39.95. Okay, you can copy that link right there for this capture page. Come over here, share it on social media through your Instagram, wherever. Okay, there's your page right there. You can put your image in there and customize this for yourself. Also, they give you brochures and things like that. You can look at the brochures. If we go back, banners and graphics, all of that right there. We go back, reels and templates that you can use. If I just look at this Strategist, you know, these are templates that you can use on your social media for reels, Instagram, TikTok, and things like that. Income shifting, you know, it gives you you can edit the background, change the background, whatever you want to do. That's totally up to you. So we give you a marketing system as well. So we also give you, okay, you can set up your profile here. You'll see your contacts here. You have a share page. Okay, this is your share page. And if I take this link here and copy it, you see my image is off on here. But if I come over here to my browser and put it in, then that's the actual share page. Where is it going to go? If someone clicks here, it can go to your social media. Somebody wants to own or make money online, it'll go to that page right there. If they want to do it to credit repair, it'll go to the credit repair right there. So either one you want to do is totally up to you. Okay, so they give you that page right there. And you can edit your share page by clicking edit, picking colors and things of that nature, putting your image in there, all of that good stuff. Whatever you want, you can do that. Okay. So then we can read about the compensation plan. Everything you need to know about the compensation plan is here. Reports, you can see your at a glance, personal sponsor, customer report. You can check up on your team in here and see their progress, your commission report, team generation report, bonus reports, all of that. Video training, the Super Saturday training, all the training that you need is here. Document center, announcements, administrative material, or you can just check them all and it'll give you everything that you need right there as far as the document center is concerned. And then more items, you have tools, mobile app, favorites, meeting, and events. Then you can come over here to your account. This is your account. This is where you want to make sure you set up your W-9 form, set up your direct deposit. Okay, you can see your commission report, your website setting. This is the main website, okay, that you're actually looking at now. And your profile and your membership you want to cancel and all that stuff right there. So that's pretty much an overview of what you're going to get with your MyEcon income shifting membership. So I hope you got value from this review video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. My contact information will be above this video, and you can hit me up on Facebook as well. And we also have a bonus. I have a bonus that I'm going to share with you when you decide to join me in MyEcon. So let's have a look at that right now. So beside the automated marketing system that you get with MyEcon, you're also going to get a full-fledged funnel system here done for you with training that you can follow step by step that's going to help you get sales in MyEcon if should you decide you want to do the business opportunity side of it. Now, this training site right here is nothing that you have to pay for. It is completely 100% free. The only thing you need to do is tap into it and start following the training. We're going to teach you how to set up your links, and we're going to teach you how to start promoting what you need to do. We're going to show you how to use the membership, everything that you saw inside of the overview on MyEcon. We're going to show you what you do when you get sales. We're going to show you the vault, what you're going to get inside of the vault, and you're going to get bonuses here, some more training to help you, okay, get more leads, get more eyeballs on your MyEcon business. And we are giving this to you 100% free. That's over $10,909, probably more than that worth of value. You do not have to go out and create funnels. You have a system inside of MyEcon, and we are giving you a system here. The one you want to choose to use is up to you, but you have this, and we are giving this to you 100% free. The only thing you have to do is click that link in the description, get signed up with MyEcon with any plan, and you're going to get the funnel team. I recommend that you go to $99.95 so you get everything that MyEcon has to offer and that you can really benefit from to getting your finances straight. So with that being said, go ahead right now, click that link that's in the description below. I'm looking forward to working with you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on this playlist that I'm creating on my MyEcon income shifting membership. Okay, so I'm going to go through all of the products and keep you abreast. I'm not going to probably won't be daily videos, but every time I make a video, it's going to be about MyEcon and some marketing tools that you can use to grow your MyEcon business. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.